to my channel, and if you're new, my name's Katrina. Probably last minute just got invited to a Halloween party, and you're like, oh no, I have nothing to wear. I don't have a costume. I don't have anything. I'm going to show you guys a look that I think you can easily recreate on your own with accessories that you probably have already, or if you don't, you can get them for cheap. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're notified when I upload. You guys want to see this really easy DIY last minute Halloween makeup look? Keep watching. So when in doubt, when you don't have a costume or you don't have anything planned at all, be an animal, a cat, a rabbit, a mouse, anything. Those are really simple looks. As long as you have the ears, I mean, do you really need anything else? I'm also going to show you guys some really easy looks that I think you can recreate with clothes that you might have already in your closet. I haven't bought a proper Halloween costume in like maybe literally since I was in high school. Like that's the last time I ever wore like an actual costume. They're just ridiculously expensive now. Like I'm not gonna pay $40 or $50, even like $20 or $30 for a costume that I'm most likely never gonna wear again. When I was little, I either wanted to be a cat or a witch. Why? I don't know. So what do you need for a cat? Ears, right? Luckily, I didn't have to purchase anything. I just went straight to my daughter's accessories, and I found these two cute cat headbands. I think if you're older and you can create like a really cute, like bold eye, I think it just adds to the overall look. I'm gonna show you guys like a really quick and easy eye look, just using a lot of like browns and bronzes and black. So I'm just gonna do my brows really quick. I'm gonna use the NYX eyebrow powder pencil and ash brown. And I'm just gonna go over that with e.l.f. Wow Brow and Neutral Brown. I'm just gonna put Urban Decay Primer Potion on my lid. I'm gonna apply some tape over here so I can get a nice crisp line. I'm going to be using one of my favorite palettes. This is the Morphe Copper Spice 25A. I'm going to start with this color right here. This is, I believe, Radar in my crease. Put that in my crease. I apply most to like the outer crease. You definitely want more intensity in the outer crease. And I wish I didn't have to use tape, but I don't know, I just can't. It just comes out much better when I use the tape. So I'm gonna blend that in. I'm gonna use this color. This is the Unveil. I'm gonna start off with kind of just putting this in my outer V. You could definitely go more dramatic with it, but I'm gonna start off like this. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of blend that out. Kind of blend it into the lid. Somewhat into the crease. Especially with black, definitely go little by little, because if you put too much, it can look kind of like, you know, raccoonish. So, I mean, with anything really, always go little by little. You can always add more on, but you can't really take off. I'm gonna go in with this color. This is Rose Gold. I'm gonna put this in my inner lid. And I think for the inner lid, just anything like bronzy or like gold is gonna look cute. If you want, you could do like a half cut crease. I'm not gonna do all that. I want to keep it simple. I love this color. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna go in again with the first color we used. Just kind of redefine, just kind of blend everything together. And then I'm just gonna blend the black and the rose gold. I'm gonna just go over the rose gold again one more time. I think you definitely want to do a winged eyeliner with this. So I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. If you have trouble doing wing eyeliners like me, the tape helps so much. And we're gonna take the tape off. Look at that. Perfect. I'm just gonna take some makeup remover and remove all this fallout. I definitely recommend adding lashes just to give an even more glam look. I'm gonna be using these Eyeliner wispy lights. Curl my lashes. I'm going to be using this Babe Lash Enriching Mascara, which actually I just won on an Instagram giveaway. I actually got their products in my goodie bag when I went to Ipsy Live a couple weeks ago. Got their enhancing conditioner and enhancing serum. And it's supposed to just help your eyelashes just look more strong and fuller. And just all my life, my eyelashes have been like so sparse. Like they just have been. So I'm hoping. I've been using this day and night. So maybe in like a month from now, I'll see if there's any progress and I'll let you guys know. Okay, so this eye is done. I'm actually going to do the other eye and my face off camera and then come back to you guys to finish off the look. Yeah, this is the finished look. If you guys want to see like my foundation routine, I'll either link a video up here or I'll put it down below. I literally do like the same look every time and use the same products. I also use this Maybelline Tattoo Studio Liner to line my waterline. And then also I'm going to go in with this Ultra highlighter. I'm just going to put some under my brow. I'm just going to highlight my nose. Just because most likely if you're doing this look, it's probably for like a party or going out, so why not add some shimmer? The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw on like the little nose and the whiskers, which you guys could probably figure out on your own, but just for the sake of the video, I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to show you guys two different like nose looks you can do. I'm going to be using this KKW Beauty eyeliner, just because no specific reason. I really don't like it. Like, not that I don't like it, but I just don't think for the price it did anything better than, for example, my Maybelline tattoo line. So yeah, it's kind of just been sitting in my drawer, so perfect time to use it now. Look how I sharpened it. This is horrible. So I'm just gonna start off with just a basic little nose, something really simple, really easy that you can do really quick. Or this is another example of a nose. Yeah, looks kind of bootleg, but you guys get the idea. And I think I'm gonna actually remove it to how it looks because I don't think I can in the video like this. Okay, so yeah, I removed it. Sorry guys, that nose just wasn't working for me. Maybe just keep it simple like this. I'm not a face painter, so if you're better at that than me, by all means, try the other way, but this way it just works better. Yeah, you could definitely play around with your lip. I'm gonna do something dark, just because, I don't know, that's the vibes I'm getting right now. I actually got this, I'm gonna use this Morphe lipstick. It is Lust. I think the color is Lust. I actually got this also in my beauty bag when I went to Ipsy Live. I've been dying to use it, so perfect times. It's like a deep, like wine color. I'm gonna spray my MAC Fix Plus. this is the finished look. Very simple. Now, obviously, you cannot just go out like this because we're going to be like, well, what exactly are you? I went into my daughter's stash of all her accessories and I found some cute cat headbands. I found these two. Either one could work. Honestly, I'm going to use this one just because I feel like, I don't know, the gold kind of goes with my eyes. Even though you could do this too, but I feel like this one, I don't know, this one feels more like Christmassy. Not Christmassy, but I don't know. This one gives me more Halloween vibes. So we're going to put that on. And you can stop here and you're good, right? We're going to go a little bit further. Another thing you can accessorize with is a choker. A choker necklace, anything really, but preferably black or whatever color cat you're doing. Now, I probably can't put this on with my nails. Let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna have to like hold it here for you guys because I'm not gonna be able to tie it with my nails. But yeah, you get the idea. Just a cute like black choker to look like a little cat collar. Another thing I was just thinking of, depending on what you're wearing, like you could wear like a long sleeve. And I took these also from my daughter's accessories. Like maybe you could put like some scrunchies on your wrist to maybe look like fur. I don't know. It's Halloween. Does it matter? No. But yeah, something like this, I think like with a long sleeve would look cute. So yeah, it's a complete look. You definitely don't have to break the bank, to have a nice Halloween costume. I mean, obviously, if you want to go all out, then you gotta go all out. But if you're somebody that you kind of just want to go out, but you don't want to spend so much money on something that you're never gonna wear again, do something like this. Really easy. I mean, these headbands, you'd probably find them at dollar stores. You can find them at like Claire's. These headbands, I'm not exactly sure where this one's from, but this one I believe is from, it's either Forever, I think Forever 21, and I think I paid only like maybe $2 for it. Clearance section, yes. Especially now that they're like going out of business. Especially now that they're going out of business, definitely go check there, see what they have like in their clearance section. Maybe you'll find some, cat or like animal ears. So she had this. I believe this is from Charlotte Russe. I'm not too sure, but I believe so. I don't know what this animal could be. Maybe it could be a bear. You could even do that. CVS. I saw the other day CVS had a package of actually the cat ears, the collar, and the tail for, it was like $5. Party City. I'm sure you could find it really inexpensive there. Scrunchies. If you think this was a good idea and you want to add this to your outfit. Again, I really don't know where these are from, but I know you can get them like at your local beauty supplies, just anywhere that would have hair accessories. Walmart. I'm not too sure about like CVS, Target, but definitely check if you have like a little like, like mom and pop local beauty supplies. Definitely check there. They usually have like a lot of cute like just random little accessories like that. You could probably even find these at like beauty supplies, not like Sally's, like local like family owned beauty supplies like that, not like really chain stores unless it's like Walmart or something. I just kind of wanted to add this in also. I don't have like the actual outfits to show you, but I have pictures to show you. Past couple of years that I have dressed up, it has been like more like, not really costume, but like, I don't know if you want to call it cosplay, but basically I just been taking similar things that I have in my closet and like creating a costume. Like for example, right here, this year I was Arthur. Really easy outfit that I put together. The sweater I had already, the jeans I had already, the little collar I had under my shirt. I think I got for like $3 from Rainbow. And the only thing, the sneakers, I did have to pay like $12 at Forever 21, which was like that. But $15 for an outfit. And the ears I actually made, it was like a headband of my daughter's that was just a plain headband, and then I used like, luckily I had some like random scraps of felt with those exact same colors that I needed. Oh, and also the glasses I did purchase for maybe like $2 or $3 from Forever 21 that I just kind of popped the lenses out and used them as glasses. Really simple. This year, this was really fun. I forced my boyfriend to dress up with me, like literally the one and only time that he dressed up. But it was really simple and it wasn't like a costume. If it was like a costume, he probably would have been like nah. But the fact that it was just kind of an outfit, I guess he didn't really mind. They were Max and Roxanne from the Goofy movie. So yeah, really simple again. The shirt I already had, the jeans I already had, everything I already had. I think the only thing I printed out, that piece of paper you see on my binder. And the wig I got $5 from Five Below. I know it's not exactly like her, but whatever. I mean, again, like I said, if you want to be on point and everything, you can do that. But if you really don't care, as long as you get it similar or close to, I think that's fine. For his, I guess if you want me to explain his those are my daughter's stockings. That's his hat. I think I bought those gloves from Dollar Tree, $1, and then everything else he had. And then I just painted on our noses and everything. This is from when we went to Comic-Con. Really simple. Skirt. I can't remember where the skirt was from. I know it was inexpensive, but I feel like the shirt and the skirt was from Denise, the $10 store. I think so. I'm not sure. The shirt, I know definitely the skirt. I'm not too sure. And then the glasses again, Forever 21. Buy a cheap pair of glasses, pop the lenses out, boom. This whole thing was maybe like under $15. This one also at Comic Con. The sweater was a little pricey. It was like maybe $12. No, actually like $15 from Boot 21, but everything else we had already. She used my glasses for my Arthur costume, and everything else she had already. Oh, actually, the axe we bought from like $3 from Party City. The mask, the little fake. It wasn't the show Jason mask. It was kind of like just the Jason basic Jason mask, and we actually painted it on with acrylic paint that we had already to make it look like, you know, the old bloody Jason mask. Yeah, again, like I said, you don't have to break the bank to, you know, wear a costume. Especially if you're like me and you know, oops, my unchained collar is falling down. Especially if you're like me and you know that you're never gonna wear this costume again. Why am I gonna spend all this money? Let me just kind of pull together what I have at home and create a look out of that. Let me know what you guys think about this look. Comment down below what you guys are going to be for Halloween, and if you celebrate, what are you guys going to be doing? Also, what's your favorite candy? Mine, candy I love to pick from my daughter's bag is Snickers. Snickers or Twix. If you guys haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you guys are notified when I upload. So I'll see you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.